In days gone by at this time of the year, I'd have been telling you to have a really good tidy up to make your garden look spick and span for the winter. But times have changed and my thinking's changed along with them. Nowadays, I'm much more concerned about making my garden a good habitat for wildlife. And that means not being quite so ready with the secateurs, not being quite so brutal with the cutting back. These days, it's a little bit more a question of as and when, a little bit more sprucing up rather than being too heavy-handed. One of the things I am going to do though is I'm going to tidy up these lilac squirrels. This is Sanguisorba lilac squirrel, which was one of my favourite plants of the summer, but it really has had its moment now. And I'm just going to take the flower heads off because I'm actually quite enjoying this autumnal foliage. It's got some really nice, quite pretty little autumnal tints, and it won't go on forever, but it is giving me a little bit of a moment now, which I'm quite enjoying. A couple of weeks time and I'll take the leaves off as well, but for the moment I'm quite enjoying these yellowy hues. Another thing I'm going to cut back is this peony. Look at it. It's not doing anything for anyone, is it? It really is a tired looking specimen. But underneath it, look at that. I've got a lovely darling little cyclamen flowering away. So I'm going to take the peony off right at ground level and reveal this glorious little cyclamen so we can all enjoy it.